Hi students, welcome back to our social class today. We have been reading about the Earth in the solar system, the Earth and its neighbors, how far Earth is from the Sun, what's the size of the Sun, like that different aspects we have studied. Also we studied about other planets also. And in the last class we discussed mainly Earth. Earth is a big planet. In the solar system, it is the fifth largest planet. Total how many planets are there? 8 planets are there. Among the 8 planets, the Earth is the 5th largest planet. Now we shall discuss. Also we discussed the spheres of the Earth, the realms of the Earth. 4 realms were there: the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, the atmosphere and the biosphere. The lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the atmosphere help us to live on the earth. All living beings together called the biosphere. The biosphere is possible because of the other 3 spheres. Now let us discuss satellites. What is called a satellite? What is called a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body which moves around a planet. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet. Like planets, we know that the planets move around the sun. As the planets move around the sun, the satellites also move around the planets. Satellites move around what? The planets. In the solar system, except 2 planets, all other planets have satellites. Which planets do not have satellites? Mercury and Venus. Mercury and Venus do not have satellites. All other planets have satellites. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Natural satellite. Why do we say natural satellite? There are artificial satellites also, about which we shall study later. So moon is the natural satellite of the earth. How many satellites does the earth have? Only 1 satellite, that is moon. Mars also has 1 satellite. But the other planets have several satellites. Other planets have several satellites, means several moons. The Saturn has the largest number of satellites, around 72 moons are there for Saturn. Jupiter has 52 something, 52 moons are there. Uranus also have around 28 moons. Neptune also has several moons like that. So a satellite is a celestial body, heavenly body that is moving around the planet. What is the natural planet of the earth? Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. And the moon we can see from the earth. We can also see some of the planets from the earth, but not in the same size. They look like stars to us. Actually, they are not stars. Some planets are visible to us, at a certain part of the time, but they are not big. They are not big enough to identify. But we can identify the moon because it looks big. Why does the moon look big? Is it bigger than other planets? Is it bigger than Jupiter or Saturn? No. It is not bigger than the planets. The moon is smaller than the earth. What is the size of the moon? Only 1/4 part of the moon. If we divide the earth into 4 pieces, how much will be one piece? That much only the moon. So the moon is 1/4 of the earth. Its diameter is 1/4 of the earth's diameter. That's the size of the moon. And how far is the moon from the earth? How far? The moon is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from earth. 3,84,400 kilometers from the earth. How far is the sun from us? The sun is millions of kilometers away from us. It is said that around 150 million kilometers, 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So 150 million means 1,500 lakhs kilometers from the earth. Which is near to us, the sun or moon? The moon is near to us. And the earth moves, the moon moves around the earth. How many days does the earth take to complete one revolution around the sun? 365 days and more. How many days does the moon take to complete one revolution around the earth? 27 days. The earth takes 27 days to move around the earth one time. At the same time, the moon rotates also. Rotate means spin. It moves its own. So it moves around its own. It goes around the earth. At the same time, it moves its own. That's called rotation. How much time does it take to complete one rotation? That also 27 days. It completes one rotation in 27 days only. As we have mountains, plains and plateaus on the earth's surface, the moon also has mountains, plains and plateaus. What is not there? Oceans are not there. Oceans are not there in the moon. Because of the mountains, valleys, plains and plateaus, when we look at the moon, we can see some shades in the moon. We can see some shades in the moon. These shades are because of the mountains and valleys. So that is how we have moon. Do you know? Man from the earth has gone to the moon. Man went to the moon. Who went to the moon? His name is, the first man who went to moon is Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong is an American astronaut. Who is an astronaut? Astronaut is a person who does space travel. Space travel. That means the person who is going out into the sky is called an astronaut. Neil Armstrong was the first one who landed on the surface of the earth. It happened on 21st July 1969. When did it happen? In 1969 on 21st July, a man for the first time put his leg on the moon. Okay, moon is the natural satellite of the earth. Earlier I said there are artificial satellites also. What are the man-made satellites or artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are also called man-made satellites because these satellites are made by man. Man, the scientists have made several satellites and sent into the space. Along with the moon, these satellites also are moving around the earth. The man-made satellites also move around the earth on their orbits. What is the purpose of this man-made orbits? Why do people make satellites like that and send into the orbits? These kinds of satellites are called the communicative satellites. They are sent to the orbit for communication. Because of these satellites only now, this mobile activity is possible. TV channels, now we get TV channels from satellites only. Earlier we got to the TV channels through cables. Now we get the channels through dishes. What does the dish do? Dish captures the signals from the satellites and send it to the receiver of our TV, and we get the programs from the TV. So these satellites are doing communication activities. Our country also has sent satellites to the orbit. Here we have INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. are some of the satellites. There are many satellites. America has sent so many satellites. Russia has installed so many satellites. India has installed so many satellites. All these satellites are sent to the orbit by rockets. The satellites will be prepared, it will be connected to a rocket, and the rocket will take away the satellites to the orbit. These are called satellite launching vehicle. Satellite launching vehicles, SLV. We have PSLV like that, different satellite launching vehicles. We have got the technology. India has developed such a technology, and we also send the satellites to the orbits. So there are natural satellites and man-made satellites also. Mangalyaan. You heard about Mangalyaan. What is Mangalyaan? Mangalyaan is also a satellite sent to Mars. Mars is called Mangal. So Mangalyaan means a satellite is sent to Mars. It is launched by Indian Space Research Center, ISRO. It reached Mangalyaan reached the orbit of Mars to explore its atmosphere and topography, but actually this mission was not successful, but it brought a good name to India. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, has now become the fourth space agency in the world to reach Mars after the Soviet space program, NASA, and the European Space Agency. Very few countries in the world has got the credit of sending satellites to Mars. Among them we also are there. Indians also are there. We can be proud of it. You understood about satellites? Okay, read the textbook, this part, and also answer the questions I am sending you. Answer the questions and send the answers to me. Okay? Wish you all the best.